Today we talk about how can you change password on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go down, click here in this sign down here. When you just click on it, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, you just click here on privacy and security, just click on it here. Then you come to next step here, you click here on change password. When you just click here on change password, it's going to take you to this list. So then here you add your current password, then here new password. So then you click here on save, then it's going to save with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you all good. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.